Hi there. I just wanted to say a big thank you for all of you who already supported the Brand Strategy Kit on Kickstarter. It's very exciting to see so many of you who are already on the journey of leveling up your practice. So I assume you're either a designer, an aspiring brand strategist, or a creative team who wants to level up your process, make it more strategic so you can serve world-class clients. So the Brand Strategy Kit was created exactly with this mission, and it consolidates my 15 years of experience working with clients worldwide. So I hope that it's going to be a good reference for you, or a way to get inspired or get some good ideas from that you can then adapt and customize for yourself. I also wanted to remind you that we have a Slack channel. I'm there together with my team to answer all your questions as you're on this journey of stepping into a new surf. I know what it means to be during the transitions, and the right support is really a big thing during those periods. So yeah, don't hesitate, pop in and drop in your questions. We'll also be hosting a live Q&A later this month, so this is going to be an exciting month ahead. And yeah, thanks again, welcome to the family, and I'll see you soon. Bye.